just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, higher than the highway. This girl is on fire. Fire, fire. This girl is on fire.
Hi Tay Squad, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, if you're not a part of the Tay Squad, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob. My channel is on lifestyle, health, and beauty, and today I have a shoe review for you all. I really enjoyed my previous videos on shoes. I did a review on the Nike Vapor Air Max, and then I also did a review on the Air Retro Jordans, and y'all love both of those, so you know your girl had to bring y'all another video, and here I am. So today we have some really cool shoes to talk about, okay? And these are the Yeezy 350 Boost. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and give me some replica Yeezys because number one, Kanye West not about to get my money and I'm not about to spend $1,000 on a pair of tennis shoes. I really don't even like tennis shoes like that, so let's be real. I ain't spending my money on that, so I decided to go on my good old faithful website, which is Dhgate.com, where I buy all of my replicas. I've even bought clothes from Dhgate, I bought socks, I bought purses, different things like that, so they've never failed me yet, so I'm always going to continue to purchase my replicas there. I ordered these shoes in about April, and they came in at the beginning of July, so it took about 3 months for the shoes to come in. I know that they have a huge delay due to COVID. This is not the first time it happened to me, but I'm in no rush because where are we gonna go anyway? Where am I wear these shoes at, you know? So it don't even matter. So I decided to just go ahead and get these shoes and just wait, and they came in. So I heard Kanye West is running for president. All right, y'all comment below. I don't know what's going on with Kanye West. He's struggling mentally. I don't know, I just feel like he needs to get some help. And then I'm hearing a whole bunch of stuff with Kim Kardashian and all of that. But his Yeezy brand has been really successful. Basically a billionaire when it comes to the Yeezy company. So he is the sole owner of Yeezys. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the shoes that I got. So this is the box that it came in. It just says 350 on the box. The box is plain. There's no writing on the box. And as you guys can see, the box is a little beat up here. As you can see there, it's all beat up. But my shoes came in very good condition. So when I opened the box, there's literally nothing in the box, so just a plain box. Came in this clear bag that says Adidas, and then it has a 42 sticker right here, and I'm assuming that is the size of the shoe. Now I do wear a size 10 in women's, which is about an 8.5 in men's. So there's no type of card, no type of flyer, anything. It's just strictly the bag and the shoes. Well, so I actually really do love my shoes, and I love the colors that I chose. So I chose to get this black design, and this is kind of like a red pinkish color right here, as you guys can see. Google and see what the Sply 350 means on the shoe. I saw it meant St. Pablo loves you, and then I saw that it meant Supply 350, so I'm really not sure what it means. It's really still not clear, and I'm not sure if Kanye West ever really released like what exactly does it mean. I'm not into Yeezys. I don't have any other pair of Yeezys, so y'all gonna have to tell me, what does this mean on the shoe? Like what? But other than that, I really do love the shoe, and I love the color that I chose. I did decide to get this black color, and then I decided to get this pinkish red stripe on it. I just think it adds a good accent, and I think it'll also be great when putting together outfits. So I'm just showing you guys the shoe, doing a 360, and then I'll kind of explain the shoe in more detail. Boom. All right, so as we can see in the front, everything looks good here. I'm not noticing too much glue spots on the shoe, but in the front, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but there are just a few spots that have some glue in the corners here in the front that you can clearly see. But everything looks good so far. I feel like the shoestrings are very durable on the shoe. The inside says Adidas Yeezy in the inside. So that looks pretty legit. Okay, and then the bottom of the shoe, everything looks good, and it does say Adidas at the top. You guys can see, it says Adidas right there. And then at the bottom, it does say Boost. A little bit so you guys can see. But I mean, that's pretty much how the shoes look I'm not sure how the bottom is supposed to feel, but this white part, it does feel a little bit plastic. But other than that, I mean, the shoe is a good weight. It's not too light to where you would think that it's fake. So yeah, so I really like it. As far as like it being comfortable, I did try them on and I do feel like they are very comfortable, but they're also a shoe that you do have to break in. Just pressing in the bottom, the shoe is not very soft. Like, it's not a soft shoe. Just when I'm pressing in, it's not very soft. So I can definitely tell that I'm gonna have to break in the bottom of these shoes. But I mean, I love it, y'all. I love these shoes. And I like the front, how they have the little stitching on it. So I don't know, let me know down below, like, would you guys rock these? Would you guys not rock these? I think these would definitely be cute with like some jean shorts or even like sweatpants, and just having that cool, relaxed swag, you know, but chic at the same time. That's pretty much my style. So I really like these and I can't wait to dress these up. So what I noticed as well on Dhgate, they have like a wide variety of colors. So if you guys are looking for replica shoes and you're looking for very bright colors and maybe colors you haven't seen anywhere, look on Dhgate, because there's so many different colors of so many different shoes. And I saw for Yeezys, like, there was so many different colors. There's some that's solid, and there's different color stripes on the shoes. I know they come in white, they come in gray. I saw one that was like gray and green. So just a lot of colors to choose from. But I mean, I like this shoe. I really do like this. So that's pretty much it. So let me know down below, would you guys rock these Yeezys? Let me know. Would you guys rock these, or what to say when it comes to the Yeezy shoe? I feel like they're really cool. I can't wait to rock them. And before we go, I will show you guys how they look on my feet. So let's go see.